What's up, guys? How are you today? I hope you're doing great. And here we go again in a new video for this week. I hope you are enjoying my videos. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and show me your love. So today we are going to do disconnected but beautiful, lots of layers, disconnection, and just artistic touch. So I hope you enjoy it, guys. So as you see here, we just did very simple sectioning. We took it from the partridge to the back to the center of the nape, and we started from the nape with 45 degree elevation. And as you see, I took my first section, and now the second section, I'm keeping my elevation 45 degree, and I'm pushing a little bit back to the previous section. So every section I'm going to cut now, it's going to be following to the previous section. Very important, and I always mention about that, the consistency. And here, as you see, I'm saying my body position stayed the same place. I didn't turn around the head, I didn't go anywhere. I just stayed in the same spot, and the hair comes to me with a 45 degrees elevation. I keep my consistency the same, so I get the best haircut shape later, and I don't have to fix on dry cut so much. So consistency is the key, guys. Plus, when you are taking a new section, make sure your new section is half inch only. Don't rush and take big sections, because if you do that, you're gonna lose the consistency, you're gonna lose the balance, and the end of the haircut you will find out that's it's still too heavy, or one side is longer than the other, and then you have to go back and do it again and fix it, and this is gonna take you a long time, especially you don't want that on busy day. So when I reach the above the ear area, if you see, I didn't over direct the hair, I didn't do anything. Now I'm cutting a straight line. So I take the hair with 45 degree elevation till I reach above the ear. When I reach above the ear, I comb the hair down. I don't elevate, I don't do anything, and just I cut straight line. And if you see this little piece in the front, I just left it alone, because if you remember, we are doing disconnected bob today, and you will see why I left this piece on purpose. So what we're doing right now, on the other side, I'm doing the same. I start from the nape area. My guideline, I take it from the hair I cut from the other side. I take a little piece as a guideline, and I start follow my guideline. 45 degree elevation and half an inch. Only new section, I don't take too much hair, as I mentioned, because I don't want to lose the balance and consistency. So this is the key to get a beautiful, a gorgeous haircut. So as you see here, when I reach above the ear, so this is very important, because this is big switch, guys. When I reach above the ear, look what's gonna happen right now. I stop, take the hair back, I push it down, okay, and then I'm going to cut straight line. And this is the front piece. On the end around the face frame, I leave it alone and I don't cut it. Why? You will know at the answer in the end. You will know why I left this piece alone. It's gonna be a beautiful piece. So now, very easy, this is the haircut we just finished, and I added some mousse, very weightless mousse at edge shine and a nice hole to the hair. So now when we do the blowout, the hair will be shiny and weightless, and this is what do you need, guys. Make sure when you dry the hair, dry it in every direction. So don't try to push the hair only on one direction. Try to take it in every direction. Why? Because that way you're gonna create the maximize the volume, and then the hair can go in every direction. So let's say the clients want to style it to the right, to the left, they can do it. They have no problem if you blow out this way. So now I sprayed heat protection on dry hair, and because I'm going to add some heat from a flat iron, so I don't want any damage to the hair. So as you see, my section, even when I do flat iron, I take small section. I don't take big section. Why? Because I want the hair all smooth and soft and nice look. Because if you take big sections and you do flat iron, you're gonna create some crest in the hair, and the hair won't look that nice. So consistency, guys, I always say it is the key. Now we are going to do, and this is my favorite part, the dry cut. For sure, to do the dry cut, you have to do it with the right shear. So lots of times I see stylists, they do the same mistake. They use the same shear for everything. Here I'm using a special blade for dry cut. I'm not using the same shear. I use it for the precision haircut. And what it does, this blade, it pushes the hair out away from the blade, and this is how I get this beautiful details. And so this is the key. Tools, right technique, and be patient, and then you will get for what you're looking for. So as you see, when I reach to this little piece around the face, I'm sliding out, and right now I'm doing twisting technique, and look how beautiful and gorgeous this effect around the face under the chin. And this is the disconnected from the other hair. That's why we call it disconnected bob. So I'm just detailing around the nape area and making this line sharper and more detailed and blunt. For sure, I'm going to do some point cutting technique. You will see, guys, what we are going to do, and the end result, you will be just happy. So it's very important. I always say it, and many videos I did, and today I'm gonna do the same. Learn from others, but always keep your own touch and the haircut. Don't do copy paste from anybody. Always learn from others, but always put your own vision, your own artistic, and your haircut. So as you see, I did just some point cutting on the on the left side, and look how it looks already softer than the right side. You can tell the weight, this line, heavy line, you can see start disappear. Takes a little bit time, little bit patient, but you will get there. Just when you do the point cutting technique, just be careful, guys, not to cut your fingers, because this technique, if you don't do it properly, you can hurt yourself. So just be careful. And because myself, I did it to myself actually a few times back in time when I was practicing this technique. I had this video on my channel, how to do point cutting technique, so you can check it out, guys. And you learn those sliding technique, twisting technique, point cutting technique, all those stuff behind the chair, add confidence and add flair. So here I'm doing teasing technique. Why? Because I want to add some softness around the face and give it more, that's a beautiful soft look, and just the effect will be much better. So this is a beautiful technique I like to use, and now I'm using this like pinching, as you see, I'm pinching him down, and look how gorgeous she is. And this is the styling. This is everything's for today. I hope you guys, you like my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and show me your love. And I see you the next week and a new video and a new idea. And ciao for now.